Hey guys, so today we are going to be showing you some slimes that I got so far. And as you can see back here, I got some slime stuff, and right here is all my slimes. So this is Sequence, a little juice to put in your slime. Tide slime activator, which I got this from a slime kit, but I emptied all the slime activator out and I put contact solution, so now it's better. I got shaving cream, Tide to activator 2, another activator, more shaving cream, these little foam cubes that you put in your slimes. I don't want to break it, but foam popsicle sticks and a spoon, and all I need is just glue, and my mom's taking me to get glue. And subscribe to LPS Molly, and if you haven't subscribed to LPS Molly, go subscribe down below. And yeah. And so, sorry, my sister was calling me. And so I actually had 3 packs of glue yesterday, because yesterday was my birthday. And I got 3 packs of glue, and I made all these slimes with that glue. So the first slime, what is this slime? I named it Strawberry Cake, but I haven't wrote it on top. So it's Strawberry Cake. Made it also with slime and paint. The paint, I have it downstairs. I'll show it to you after. Then I also have some Sequence in this. Where is the Sequence? Let's see if I can find one. Oh, I found one. I have a Sequence in here. And it's just a strawberry texture and color. So I like it a lot. Okay, and I like this. Let's put that back. Now, this was not really slime, but I count it as slime. If you don't, then I'm sorry. But I do. I don't want my phone to drop. I'll make Disney videos. I don't have my LPS, I'm sorry guys. So this is my slime so far. It's putty. That's my putty slime. And then I have this purple slime. It's made with a fluffy slime, because I put a lot of shaving cream in this one. Oops. See, I told you I didn't want to drop my phone. So this is my slime. That's my purple slime. Then next I have this purple slime. They're both different because that one has less sequence than this one. Well, they're the same slime, but like, I like to keep all of it, so I'm putting it in that container. So that's the other slime. My next slime is my last, oh no, one more. Alright, so this one kind of sticky, but kind of not sticky. Oops. Okay. So it's kind of sticky, but kind of not sticky at the same time. It's my lemon slime. It has yellow sequence in it. And it's just really good. And yeah. It's my other one. And then this is my last one that I have. It's a blue jiggly slime. It's a blue jiggly slime. Whoa. It doesn't click. I wish it did. That would have been cool. Nevaeh! Nevaeh's at my house. She slept over. If you guys don't know who Nevaeh is, she's one of my friends that go to my class. Nevaeh! Come here! She's coming. And if she don't know, I'm in 5th grade. She's in my class. Nevaeh Dakota, whatever it's called. She's coming up right now. I'm sorry, Mom and Dad. I know I'm doing my video. Nevaeh, come here. Okay, fine. I won't show you. I didn't really show your face. Come sit. Come sit right here.
That's what you've been doing.
Yeah, I've been making my video. This one, my gibberish. Ah. Ah. Alright, so then I'm gonna put it back. Can you put that back for me? Okay, so Nevaeh, now it's her turn to pick her favorite slime. Okay, this one was first. Touch it. After you put that one in. You did?
Yeah, that's right.
So that's my strawberry slime. Because it has a flash on. I like this slime. It's cool. We gotta put it away. My base is just coming. Okay, bye guys. Thank you guys for watching.